Hi children, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
We are learning banking transactions. 3 transactions over. Cash deposit for opening account over. Cash withdrawn for business purpose over. Cash withdrawn for personal purpose over. One more transaction we learned. Payment by check.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Payment by check to a creditor by say Rakesh. That also over. 4 transaction over. Am I right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 4 transaction. Today we will learn 5th transaction. Payment by drafts to a creditor. Page number 8.28. 8.28. Page number 8.28. 4 over 5th. 5th one. Payment by drafts. Payment by drafts. Payment by drafts to a creditor. To a creditor. Payment by draft to a creditor. Name is given Vikas. Here we are learning transaction, reason for debit and credit as per modern approach and as per traditional approach. The journal entry. Remember journal entry. Think about modern approach. We will get the journal entry very fast. When you are paying some amount to a creditor, the creditor is increasing or decreasing. Creditor's balance. Creditor in accountancy, creditor is a liability. According to modern approach, it is liability, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Liability. So when we are making payment, liability is decreasing or increasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. That's the reason creditor name is given. So we should write the name. What's the name? Vikas.
Because
In bracket,
Vikas.
in bracket creditor.
Because
Account debit. 2. Normally, we will go to the credit aspect bank, but see the question. Payment by draft to a creditor. Here, one more debit will come. That is bank charge. See, when we are giving drafts, the bank which is receiving the drafts have to process it. The bank has to send that draft to our bank. Then they have to get the amount from our bank. For that processing, bank will be charging an amount called a bank charge. Are you understanding, Neha, Indu, Kavishri, Madhusri,
Yes, sir.
Kanishka,
Yes, sir.
Vishwa, Devagi, Brunda, Viravi, Sudarshan. Are you understanding, children? What is bank charge? Anybody can say? Madhusri can say. What is bank charge? It is a charge by the bank for the processing work. What is bank charge? Anybody can say?
It is a charge for the bank for the draft.
Charge by the bank for the processing.
For the processing.
Yes, so that's an expense. That amount will be, the amount is an expense.
Debited.
Yes. Bank charge. This amount will be deducted by our bank. Once again, this amount will be deducted by our bank. That means our bank balance will be reduced. Expense is increasing. This expense for us because this amount will be reduced by the bank. What is the reason? Suppose we have account with the State Bank of India. We are giving a draft to Federal Bank. Okay. We are giving a draft. Okay. We are not addressing any bank. We are giving a draft. The person to whom we are issuing the draft will be presenting in some other bank. Maybe Federal Bank or Indian Overseas Bank or Canara Bank. Actually, our money is not in Federal Bank. Our money is in which bank? State Bank of India. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
they have,
sir.
yes, they have to. They means Federal Bank or Indian Overseas Bank where the draft is presented. They have to get money from our bank. So they will send it. So there is a matter of processing. Our bank is doing some work recording this transaction, deducting this payment. So for the processing, our bank will be charging some amount. A portion will be given to IOCS. It depends on the terms and conditions. Anyway, money will be deducted. Some money, some charge will be deducted from our bank account. That is an expense. Bank charge, account debit, increase in expense. And for the charge plus draft amount. Suppose the charge is 100 rupees and the draft is for 1,000 rupees. Then total amount deducted by our bank is 1,000 ton. Do you agree with me? We give a draft for 1,000 rupees. But our bank will be deducting 1,100. Example only, maybe 1,050 also. Are you understanding, children? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We gave a draft for 1,000 rupees, but from our bank, some little bit more amount will be deducted. Small amount, maybe 50 or 100 rupees. Okay. Now, here how we have to learn. As per the modern concept, what's the reason for debit and credit? First, then as per the British approach. Because is debited. Why?
The increase in liability.
Decrease, not increase. Decrease in
Decrease in liabilities.
liability. Why we are debiting bank charge? Increase in expense. Why we are crediting bank?
Expense.
Why we are crediting bank?
Decrease in asset.
Yes. Indu, is it clear for you now? Board is clear? Indu, you are telling that it's not visible clearly. Now, is it clear now? Indu is not there. Leave it. Okay. This is as per modern approach.
Sir? Yes, sir. Sir, it is clear, sir.
Yesterday, you were telling that board was not clear. I was checking what is the reason, some technical problem. So I rectified yesterday. I am asking now, is it clear now? Yes or no?
Sir, it is clear, sir.
Then as per British approach, what's the reason for debit? As per British approach, not 5 accounts, only 3 accounts. Personal account, real account, nominal account.
Nominal account.
Okay, why we are debiting? Because all liabilities are personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So what we will write briefly? Debit the,
Receiver.
yes. Giver. I am writing short. You have to write in full-fledged form. Bank charge. Which account? Real, nominal or personal? Bank charge. Bank charge is an expense, my dear children. Expense. All expense or losses are nominal account, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
incomes and gains are also nominal account. So bank charge is nominal account. What's the rule? It's an expense or loss or income and gain? Bank charge.
It is an expense, sir.
Expense.
So debit all
All expense and loss.
loss. Writing in short form. Anyway, you know that. That's it. Why we are crediting bank? All institutions are persons. All institutions are persons. That means they are personal accounts. The rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. When we are giving draft, who is giving money on behalf of us? Bank is giving money. Bank is the giver. So what's the rule? As per British approach, traditional approach.
Credit the giver.
Yes. Can you remove this? I want space. Did you write?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, what is the sixth one?
Payment of expenses. Pay rent by check.
Sixth one. And read. Rent is an expense. All right.
Yes, sir.
Rent account debit to bank. By check means money is going from bank.
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 Reason? Why we are debiting rent account? Modern approach.
Increase in expense.
This simple.
Expense.
Up arrow is enough. You have to save time. Why we are crediting bank? Decrease in
Increase
Decrease
in. Decrease in.
asset. Okay. British approach. Debit all. You are getting some hint from here, my dear.
Debit all the expenses and losses.
You have to understand modern approach and the British approach. Some differences are there. It is not against. Both are not enemies. Similarities are there. In many cases, there are many similarities. See, debit all expense. We are crediting bank.
Expense and loss.
We are crediting bank account. Bank is an institution. All institution in the world are person.
Credit the giver.
Credit the
Can I use this space? Can I remove this? Did you write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is seventh one, children? Seventh one.
Charges paid to or charged by bank.
Anyway, you can copy that. We can save time. You can copy the transaction from the book. That way we can save time. We need to explain, right? Seventh one. Charges paid to or charged by bank. There are many charges. For example, when we are applying for second check, first checkbook is free. When we are applying for second checkbook, there will be a charge. When we are transferring money, there will be a charge. When the bank is collecting some amount on behalf of us, there will be a charge. For sending statement of account, there will be a charge. If the frequency is more, we want statement of account every week, there will be more charge. Depending on the number of transactions, if we want transaction statement daily, there will be little more charge. Anyway, all these charges are expense for us. So all the expense will be debited. That's the reason bank charge is debited. Answer: bank charge account debit to bank. Why we are crediting bank? Bank will not come to our house.
All expenses and losses.
Why we are crediting bank account? When bank is charging some amount, actually bank people will not knock our door. They will not come to our house. Our money is already with the bank, isn't it? They will take money from them, money from that balance. Our money is already with bank. Bank will take money from that account. It's deducted from our account. Money is going. Money is decreasing. Decrease in assets. Are you understanding?
Decrease in us.
Yes. Bank will not come to our house.
Yes, sir.
Bank will
Yes, sir.
take amount from our account. Our asset is decreasing. Are you hearing me? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me, as per American concept, what is the reason for debit and credit?
Increase in expense and decrease in asset.
Increase in asset.
Please check your background sound, children. Increase in expense. Here, decrease in asset. Some disturbances in the background of some student. Please check it. Okay, as per British approach, I mean traditional approach, debit all,
Debit all expenses and losses.
credit here, credit
Credit the
Credit the
giver.
giver.
your. Are you writing? Marisri, can you show your notebook?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Marisri, can you on your camera and show your notebook? Marisri is not there.
Yes, sir.
Can you open your notebook and show? Can you on your camera and show your notebook? You didn't write. Okay. Indu, can you show your notebook? This is Madhusri.
Sir.
Can you show your notebook? Okay. Kavishri, can you show your notebook? Today's notebook? Today's work?
Sir, sit over, sir.
The last, did you write the last point? Sixth.
Yes, sir. Charge.
Okay. Be ready. At any time, I will be checking like this verification.
Yes, sir.
Please make sure that your notebook is updated. Okay. 7 after 7. What is 8, children? 8-1.
Check or draft received from a debtor, Rahul, and deposited in the bank on the same day.
8-1. What's the meaning of that? We are getting a check from a party. It can be debtor. The check is deposited in the bank. When check is deposited in the bank, our bank balance will be?
Increasing.
Yes.
Increasing.
And most probably Rahul will be the debtor. In exceptional case only, it can be creditor. 99% Rahul will be debtor. So when we are getting money from the debtor, our debtor's balance will be increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
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 Okay. Yeah, so that should be in your mind. Okay, what's the journal entry? Bank account debit.
Bank account
debit to
Rahul.
Rahul.
Debtor.
Okay, children. Reason as per American approach? American approach is not mentioned in the question in the textbook.
Increase in asset, decrease in liability.
Perfect. Increase in assets, decrease in liability. Okay. As per British approach, what's the reason?
Debit the receiver, credit the giver.
Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, here, credit the giver.
The giver.
That is already mentioned in the answer. Okay. 9. What is 9? Can you read 9th question? Transaction. Check or draft?
Check or draft received from a debtor uncool and not deposited in the bank on the same day.
When check is deposited, no need to bother about the check because check is converted into cash. Check is converted into bank balance. When the check or draft is not deposited, see, suppose some money, it is a paper only. There will be value if you are going to the bank and depositing. Then only we can say that bank balance is increasing. Check or draft not deposited is not bank balance. Without depositing check or draft, our bank balance will not be increased. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So when it is depositing only, our bank balance increasing. So for the time being, we will keep that amount in a temporary account called a check in hand. It's asset only. It's a paper but having value. Number 9. So don't write bank account. What's the reason? It is not.
Because you are not putting into the bank.
Number 2. Because it is not deposited. Not deposited. We are keeping in a temporary account called
And check.
Check in hand.
Account debit to. Anyway, it is not a valueless paper. It's a paper having some value. At any time we will deposit. Almost equal to money received. Not equal to. Almost equal to money received. So liability will be, asset will be reduced. Rahul, amount receivable from Rahul, all receivable is asset. Debtor. Debtor's balance is reduced. Reduction in assets. So we have to credit Rahul. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. As per modern approach, if from the explanation, a brilliant student can say the reason immediately. Check in hand is debited. According to American approach, modern approach. What is the reason? Increase in
Increase in asset.
asset. It is asset. Here, decrease in
Asset.
one asset is increasing, another asset is as per British approach.
Decreasing.
As per British approach, all assets as per British approach are
Debit
real
comes
account.
in.
Debit, what comes in? I am using this arrow, left arrow.
What comes in?
I am using this arrow. What's the meaning? Comes in, coming to us. Are you understanding? Debit what? Comes in. Don't use this tricky way in exam.
Comes.
In class we can use for saving our time. Rahul is a personal account. Rahul is a personal account. What is the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Which one we will apply here?
Credit the
Yes.
But
Credit the
credit the giver.
credit the giver.
Can I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you return to one?
About check or draft is deposited in the bank.
Yes. That's a very nice adjustment because say when we are receiving the draft or check, I told you it's a temporary account, check in hand. You don't need to mention draft in hand, check or draft. Simply we received, we didn't deposit. It's a temporary asset. I use the word temporary. Why? We will use that asset, we will convert that asset into bank account by depositing. Okay. So when that asset is coming in our business, when the asset is increasing, we debited. Today, what you're going to do? We are taking that asset. That asset is moved from us. That asset is reduced from the list. That asset is reduced. So when the asset is reduced, we have to debit the asset or credit the asset. When an asset is reduced, we have to debit the asset or credit the asset, children.
Credit the asset.
Yes, that's the
Credit the-
reason. That's the reason they are crediting the temporary assets. Okay, after crediting that asset, I mean, after moving that asset from our business enterprise, it's going to where? It is converting it into what? Converting into bank balance. When we are giving that check or draft in our bank, it will be credited into our account. Our bank balance will be increasing or decreasing.
Increasing.
Yes, perfect. So one asset is decreasing, another asset is
Increase.
increasing. The bank account is increasing. Second hand is decreasing. Reason? Increase in assets. Here, decrease in asset. Already told the answer. As per traditional approach, bank is an institution. Bank is a person.
Debit the receiver.
Debit the receiver. Okay. Check. All assets are real accounts. Rule for real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What rule we will apply
Credit
here?
what?
Yes. Vishwa, can you show your notebook?
Credit what goes up.
Vishwa,
Credit was.
can you show your notebook? Vishwa is not in the class, no attendance. Vrunda, can you share your notebook? Not there. Neha, can you share your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Indu, can you share your notebook? Indu, can you share your notebook? Okay. Vishwa? Great. Have we learned 10 transactions? Total how many? 18. 18 bank transactions. Okay. See you at 11 o'clock. We have one more period for accountants, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.